Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Beautiful sunny day here, getting ready for spring. Another rare opportunity to take advantage of one of our leftover models. We don't get a lot of these. This is a 2018 Bennington G22 GCW with the full tri-tune package and a 200 horsepower Yamaha outboard engine. I'm gonna come around to the back here and we'll get on the boat and take a better look. Ski tow bar, hydraulic steering. It's got the nice extended aft deck with the curved entryway ladder. Makes it great for getting on and off the boat and the water. This particular model does have the two split rear-facing loungers. These are the most popular seats in the house or on the boat. Beautiful helm here. It's got the upgraded kicker stereo system, the Garmin unit, full instrumentation. Has the RBG color changing speaker lights, and those are kicker speakers as well. Very comfortable helm chair. It reclines, swivels, has flip up armrests, and check out this lounge right adjacent to it. Removable table. Very comfortable spot there for that co-captain or just a couple more adults. All while being able to stay undercover with that 10-foot long bimini top. Got the front area, the bow of the boat with another lounge seating. Again, nice radius seats here. Very comfortable to sit on. This boat does have the pillow top upholstery syntax upgrade. Very nice, easy to clean. Recessed speakers and cup holders so they're never in your way. Full seagrass flooring. And this boat is just a dream to drive on the water with that 200 horsepower engine. Just like driving a bow rider, handles, comfortable, great for some of the big waters on Lake Hartwell and Kiwi. Come see us to take advantage of the deal and call us for closeout pricing on this model. Thank you.